Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is a whole video of Flipkart and I have received three parcel which I want to share with you all. First product is a very comfortable unbranded, you can for office or for gym wear, and it's very comfortable and it's not branded, and a person who cannot afford branded like me but who want a good material clothing, you can go for it, and you can find every color, green, red, whatever the color, so it's perfectly fit to me. So next is also again a gym wear. I will not be wearing this because it's a little bit short, and since it is short I will not be wearing it, and the material is, oh my god, it is so good. You can wear it under a skirt also. Now third product is also again a gym product, which is a running shoes, and it's a very flexible shoes which we can wear at gym or during jogging, so whatever comfort it is. And it is also a yoga shoes type because it's very flexible, and see how it looks. That's all for today, and see you on next video again. Bye bye, take care.